Hi everyone, welcome to another weekly video. This week we're going to show you how to use the auto-allocate function on CareForIT. Keep watching for a video tutorial on this. To use auto-allocate, you need to go to Rota and List View. Auto-allocate allows you to quickly and easily bulk assign regular staff to visits. Auto-allocate looks at the information within the blue cogs in the regular assignment section of the care plan and carer availability to create the rota for you. You will be asked to check that you are happy with the rota before clicking confirm. If no staff found shows, this means that no staff has been entered into the regular cogs or the staff entered is unavailable. You can easily view any remaining unallocated calls by selecting the unallocated option from the All Staff filter and Get Assignments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow all our social media platforms.